Hi, happy 4th of July weekend. I thought I would make some ceviche for this holiday season. And so I make mine with imitation crab, obviously. There's lots of ways to make it, but this is my recipe. So we're going to begin with a cup of and a half of very finely diced tomatoes, 1 cup of finely diced cucumber. And so it's going to be 1 cup. You want it to be small because we're making a type of salsa. And then finely chopped about 1/4 cup of red onion and 1/4 cup of cilantro. And remember what I told you about cilantro. You want to dice that fine when you're putting it in recipes. I have a 32-ounce jar of clamato. And basically this is to add to the sauce. And so these are all of the ingredients for this appetizer. And so I'm going to combine my tomatoes and then actually add the cucumber to the recipe. Next, I'm going to add the red onion and the cilantro to the recipe as well. And then I'm going to shred my imitation crab and basically just cut it finely so that it again will make like a thin, finely shredded so that it'll be again a salsa like recipe. I'm going to add 1 cup of clamato sauce, and then I just mix all those ingredients together, as you can see here. And then what I do afterwards is basically I'm going to add some salt and pepper to taste. So, sometimes I add a little bit more pepper, or you can add a spicy chili if you want it more spicy, or not. In this case, I didn't because I was making it for my son-in-law. And then from there, I'm going to refrigerate it for about 45 minutes, and it's ready to serve. I serve it in these smaller sort of dishes for individuals to be able to partake with my favorite type of chips. Squeeze a little lime or lemon juice over it, and you have a great 4th of July appetizer.